The news in detail. The state government held a review meeting yesterday to oversee the preparations for the G20 meeting on space, which will be held in Shillong on April 17th and 18th. Speaking to media, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said that the government had a detailed meeting with all the concerned departments and the state is ready to welcome the G20 delegates to Shillong. Apprising media persons on the special arrangements the state is making for the meeting, Tinsong said everything is being looked into, from beautification and repairs to security arrangements, adding that the state is all prepared to host the meeting successfully. More than 120 delegates from different countries will arrive in Shillong for the meeting and that their accommodation has been arranged at Marriott by Courtyard. The meeting will also be held in the hotel.
Relating to the preparation of welcoming the G20, which is to be held on the 17th of this month and 18th. These 2 days, the G20 meeting. So we already had a detailed meeting with all the concerned departments, and I'm happy to tell you that we are more or less ready for welcoming the G20 meeting. And then more or less, not less than around 120 delegates will be here in Shillong. Repairing of infrastructure, and then be it security, be it transportation. So everything we discussed, all the details, and as I said to you, we are ready now to welcome. Accommodation is done at Marriott Courtyard.
Deputy